Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Peppa Pig, Suzy Sheep, and Zoe Zebra playing tug. Let's start drawing. First, I draw Zoe Zebra, starting with her eyes. Then, I draw her nose and her mouth like this. Draw her face and her two ears. Then, I draw zebra stripes on her face. I continue to draw her body. Draw her two legs and her tail like this. Then, I draw two legs. Standing in front of her, I draw Suzy Sheep, starting with Suzy's eyes. Then, I draw her nose and her mouth. I draw her two ears. Then, I draw her body. She is holding this rope. I draw her two legs like this. Then, I draw Peppa Pig stand in front of Suzy Sheep, starting with Peppa's eyes. Then, I draw her nose and her two ears. I draw her cheek and her opening mouth. I continue to draw her body. Then, I draw her legs like this. Now, I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use black to paint Zoe's stripes and one of her ears. I also use this black marker to paint her tail, her hands, and her legs. Gray. Pink. Then I color Zoe Zebra's dress purple. For Suzy, I color her nose pink and color cream for her cheek. Then I use pink to paint her dress like this. I also use this pink marker to paint Suzy's dress. Gray. For Peppa's dress, I use red to paint. Then I use this pink watercolor to paint her skin. Finally, I color this rope dark yellow. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.